Now, for added protection to your Access database files, you may want to consider converting them from the default extension ACCDB, or Access Database, into ACCDE. First of all, what are extensions? Well, extensions is what tells the operating system what program you should open up that file in. In fact, let me come down here and maximize the exercise folder. Every time you save a file, like in the Word 2007 program or Excel or Access, you give it a name, right? We've got ACCDE protection. Then what it does is it adds a dot, and then everything to the right of that dot is the extension, or it tells the operating system, in this case Windows Vista, what program this file should open up in. It should open up as a Word document, not as Excel, not as Access. So without that extension, it becomes lost and it says, oh my gosh, what program should you open this up in, this file? Now if you want to learn more about this, you want to watch my Windows Vista Level 1 training video. Assuming that you understand what I'm talking about, we'll go ahead and minimize this and let you know that converting it into an ACCDE file will protect your database from somebody else copying the application, including the supporting codes and modifications to the designs of forms and reports, which is pretty nice. In addition to that, it prevents users from viewing, modifying, or creating forms, reports, and modules in Design View. It also prevents them from adding, deleting, or changing references to database or object libraries, prevents from changing source code, and prevents them from importing or exporting forms, reports, or code modules. Then you got some additional benefits. It reduces the size of the database, so it's smaller. It optimizes the memory usage and improves performance, so it's a little bit faster. It protects the VBA code from being viewed or edited while allowing it to run. And then it allows users update data to run reports without providing the entire database. Now you can add on top of all that also a password. So to convert this, let me maximize my Access database. The first thing I may want to do is to assign it the password and then go ahead and convert it. So to assign it the password, let me go ahead and go to the Office logo button and close out, because remember, when it comes to assigning a password, you have to open up the database in exclusive mode if you watched the previous training video on password protection. So I'll click on the Office logo, go to Open, select my database, and then click on the Open drop-down arrow to Exclusive, come over to the Database Tools, and then click on Encrypt with Password, type in the password. Again, to verify it, hit Enter. Now let's go ahead and make this an ACCDE file. Again, it's on the Database Tools tab. To the Database Tools group, click on Make ACCDE. It's going to say, okay, where do you want to dump this file? We can say to the desktop, and then click Save, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and close out of the database, close out of the Word document, and there on my desktop, when I select it, you can see integration.accde. It's got a little protection there. I'm going to go ahead and double click to open it up. First of all, it's going to ask for the password. I'm going to go ahead and type it in. Then once I'm in the database, let's see if I can make any changes. I'm going to go ahead and right click one of the forms. It locks me out from the design view so I can't see how it was designed. Let me come up here to the Database Tools and try to crack some code to the macro group and click on Visual Basic. Go ahead and try to expand these folders here and double click on one of the codes. It says project is unavailable. So it really locks you down and prevents the user from making a lot of changes to the VBA code in the design view. I recommend this for added protection, definitely. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month, you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.